So I added spinach to their fruit seed to get them to taste it, because that's the dish they always go to. So the first one to try out my dishes today is popcorn. Where's that Angel? Let's see. Popcorn. Oh, it's Angel. Look at her. You see how I put the spinach? Oh, it went dark. Sorry. See? Keeps on going dark. Sorry about that. So I added the spinach. Go ahead, popcorn, eat. There we go. There we go. Sorry about that. So I added a little spinach on the top. Come on, popcorn. Join in on the fun and eat. There goes popcorn. Come on, popcorn, eat. Come on. Is Angel gonna eat the spinach? She's getting close. Look at popcorn acting silly back there. She put it in her mouth. Go ahead, popcorn. Angel's eating. Go ahead. Come on. Come on. Where is she at? Come on. Popcorn. Silly girl. Angel's like, well, you know what? I'm eating. You're acting silly back there. I'm eating. Thank you, Angel. Eat the spinach. She did have a little piece in her mouth. Did you see? Come on, popcorn. Popcorn, where are you? There she is right there. Come on, eat. Come on, popcorn. Go ahead. There goes popcorn now. Good girl. Good girl, baby. Good girl. Eat the spinach. I should have pushed it more forward. I should have added some right there in the front. Wow, Angel. So this is popcorn. Get a little closer to the spinach. Do it. You could do it. Eat that spinach. Eat that spinach, popcorn. Okay, well, they're getting close. Oh, I should put a little spinach in the front right there. You live and learn, you know? You live and learn. And you just try things and you just go and do it better the next time, you know? And then they'll get it. They'll eat it. There you go. Yay. Oh. At least she had it in her mouth, right? I want them to get the taste of it so that way they can get used to it and then eat it. So that's good enough for me. Wow, Angel. You hear her in the background? She ate some and now she's happy. Wow. Sing pretty. Sing pretty, Angel. Sing pretty. She sees the birds outside. Go ahead, popcorn, eat. Good girl. Good girl, baby. I wish they would come to this other dish, but I'll give them time. Okay, that's it, the popcorn. Be careful. Okay, well, there it goes. Let's see next time. They're happy. Okay. Wow, it's loud. Okay, bye. Once they go to the dishes again, I'll make another video. But they did good. They did good. They had a little spinach in their mouth, so that's good enough for me. Bye.